McKinley's Demolition Derby Geo. We're gonna try to do a little Demolition Derby tonight. I hadn't really talked much about it, so we get this thing loaded up. I can tell you more about what we're gonna be doing. A little Geo, but it's awesome. It runs. I can't wait. We'll see you guys. Alright, we got a 90-some model Geo Prism. Alright, it's been wrecked a little bit. Just playing us a song before we go off on the Geo. But it's got the whatever that motor is in it there, and waspers, and been hit in the front, and mint interior, and we're getting ready to send it. We gotta take all the windows out, do some. I'll go up to this place and do some filming for the cage that we gotta put in this one. It's just gotta be some simple stuff. But we'll get all that put in, do all the modifications we're gonna do, and we'll be ready to rip it October the 2nd. So be there and be square. It's gonna take you a couple tries.
How is that supposed to be?
I swear it shatters it. Told you.
Go!
Trying to get this derby car ready for this crap. This past your window ain't having it. Won't buzz with it.
Nah.
I'm gonna hit it hard. Ready? Jeez. I didn't put a scratch in it. You get a spark plug?
Yeah, I got a piece.
Ready?
Yeah, hit hard.
That's why if that bust at your hammer's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
That's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous.
What I did there was I took a piece of porcelain off a spark plug and threw at it, and you just saw me hit it with that hammer multiple times. Pretty hard. But we're getting this Demolition Derby car ready. I'll hop back on when we get inside. It's trying to bust the windows outside. I'm gonna have him clean it up real quick. Gotta try to get that gap over there, close it up. Better. Now I'm gonna do something about this fender. Nice. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Alright, so what we got here is a prism, Geo Prism. You know, I drive a Geo Metro a lot. Got a Geo Prism off my dad's salvage yard. She's a beaut. We got all the windows out. We're gonna put a small roll cage in it, just something just past tech. And then we're gonna kill it. The only thing we're putting in it is a cage, a new radiator, and this guy to drive it. So that's coming up this weekend. I'll probably have this video up before then the video of it happening. But like I said, we gotta rig up some fans, radiator, all that crap, you know, just keeping it cool. Engine runs great. It's 4-cylinder. So I'll walk you around here in just a second, show you the inside of the car and all that good stuff, and we'll get back with you on that. So. Alright, so we just finished up the derby car. I've not done much filming. It's been up here at McKinley's house. He built his own little roll cage setup in it, and we just made some homemade bead locks. It's the first one we did, so I'm learning as I go. They kind of gave us a rule checklist and stuff, and we followed it the best we could. I'll flip her in here and I'll show you what we got going, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, so it's a Geo Prism. You gotta weld the doors up, and it had to have a makeshift roll cage. This is actually the safest one I've actually seen in a derby car, but it's still kind of janky. Fire extinguisher, white flag, hood welded up. That's pretty straightforward. All the windows out of it, which some of that stuff I have filmed, but we're really happy with how it turned out. And the next time you see this car, it'll be in the Demolition Derby getting destroyed. So we'll see you guys then. We always do test fit, so we're gonna try test fit in the Demolition Derby car. Blacktop there. Yeah. Whoa! Hey! You better hit the drill. Headed over to Aspen, Kentucky. Just got passed by a Mini Cooper. I've got Susan towing the Geo lead back here, our Demolition Derby car. McKinley, he's ready to drive the wheels off that thing tonight. They're paying $500 to win. We just gotta try not to die, get our car torqued too bad. We'll find out how many people's over here once we get here, as far as if they're gonna run heat races or if it's just gonna be like a feature Demolition Derby. So we're really excited about that. Loaded the car up a little late, running behind, got everything rounded up though, but we're the last in the middle of the night, so we got plenty of time to get over there. We're gonna stop and get some fuel. Stay tuned and you'll see some good old-fashioned Demolition Derby here in the mountains tonight. Fueling up in the Geo lead here. We're gonna put 15 in it for its last drink. Hopefully it lasts all night long for us and burns every bit of that. But we got Susan, the tow rig out here. She's about ready to go. Got all her tools. Looks like he just got done fueling up, so we've got about another 15 minutes and we'll be at the track, and I'll hop back on here and we can try to maybe look around and see some of the other vehicles. So we'll see you guys then. We just got to the track. There's 3 in his class for the Demolition Derby. Obviously he's the best. So we'll get his car unloaded off the thing here. Tire actually stayed aired up. I'm glad with that. So yeah, we'll get it off. We'll get the generator started, make sure it's gonna run, and I'll set this up right here. got him unloaded. I'm gonna try to get the generator started and all that good stuff and see how that works out. We're ready. I'm excited. We're gonna go over and check out Ryan Boggs's. He built a car for a guy. We're gonna check him out and we'll go from there. Got some of the competition here. Got the IOU car.
Number 52 is Miss Ashley
Right here's
Shepherd.
their pit crew. All that good stuff. Really pretty car. Real glad. Known Ryan a long time. We'll be out there with him. Hopefully everybody stays safe and all that good stuff. Right here, he's coming up now. I'll ask him a little bit about it. What was that car before you tore it out of hell? What is it? Honda Accord. On a little bit of nitrous, back to a little bit of turbo, and we're running 2810 5s on the back. Yeah. But I put y'all's little pit crew thing, you know. I'm just trying to get a couple of them on there.
We did the little dedication on the way.
Yeah, I'll get it there. Yeah, but they've worked real hard on this car. Theirs is a lot more engineered than what ours is. Ours is just kind of threw together. They actually helped us. We'd forgot. Yeah, there's the Cam Strong dedication. They had actually forgot. We'd forgot to take our airbag out, and these guys had noticed it and it helped us get it out. We're really thankful for that. But we just hoping everybody has a good time and gets out there. And, but when we get ready to start back the racing, we'll hop on here and we'll film some of that. Driving up on the track here. I think they're going to have some kind of tech over here on the cages and whatnot. We got Caleb piloting this unit. Big crowd up there tonight. I'm actually surprised a lot of them stayed back for the last of it here. So as long as they don't throw me off and kill me, I'll try to get back under after we get through tech. We're ready to go. Going down. Let's go over wherever they're going to that tech thing. Yeah, try to miss that. There was no tech on these cars, and they're not even enforcing the seatbelt rule. None of it. I gotta get somebody hurt. No water down the track. Kind of a sketchy deal, but we'll roll with it. Yeah, baby. So we just did a derby, and he ended up surviving and actually winning the damn thing. Show him the trophy here. Got his trophy, and then our carnage over here. How was the hits? Was it as bad as you thought they were gonna be?
It was hard. It was hard.
They freaking, what you see on camera, they drilled you. So the car is kind of killed, but we're gonna straighten that out for another one. But Dad's, he's gonna have to haul it out for us. But this side, the driver's side did good, and then we kind of got killed over here. So I'm really happy for him.
They kept trying to shove you.